Looking to share your Instagram profile link with friends or on other platforms? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to easily copy your Instagram profile link. For this, go and open Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. Then click on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you will get share profile button next to edit profile. Click on it. You will have 4 ways to do it: providing a QR code, downloading the QR code, copying the link, and sharing the profile. When you click on download, then it will download to your phone and you can share it later. You can click on share profile and then select desired person you want to share the profile and then click on share button as shown here. Now that person will be notified with a message of this profile. You can click on copy link button and then come to the person to whom you want to send the message. Then long press in the message area and click on paste to paste the currently copied link. Then click on send button to send the message. Now, when they open by clicking on the link, it will redirect them to the profile of the link. In this way we can copy the link and share with other. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.